Presenting Tanya, the Ugly Duckling. Presenting Tanya, the Ugly Duckling by Patricia Lee Gauch, illustrated by Satomi Ichikawa. I am Tanya. Miss Foley says we will dance one whole ballet, The Ugly Duckling, in the spring recital. Mary Lou will be the hunter, Mayanne the cat, and Cynthia the wise swan. I will dance the ugly duckling, she says. Why, I wonder? I am only Tanya. That night in bed I hear Miss Foley telling us the story. It was a lovely, lovely summer day in the country when Mother Duck hatched her eggs, but the last was an ugly, ugly duckling. What is that? Said an older duck. A turkey? No, the Mother Duck said, my own dear duckling. I know just how I will dance my part. But at the next class, Miss Foley gathers us around her and teaches us steps. She tells us the other ducks pick on the ugly duckling, the chickens peck at her, and the little girl kicks her. We begin to dance. Be scared, she says to me, the ugly duckling. But there are so many steps to learn, I forget to be scared. Pas de chat, ballonnet, brisé, saison, somersault. I practice all the way home. The ugly duckling wants to run away. I do too. But there is a terrible thunderstorm, Miss Foley says as she plays the music at the next class. Lightning flashes, the wind and rain blow. Ah, the poor little duckling, where will she go? And I dance. Glissade, glissade, saison to the front. I have learned every step. But Miss Foley stops me. Again, Tanya, she says. I dance again. Glissade, glissade, saison to the front. Again, Miss Foley says. I try again, but Miss Foley pats my shoulder. Patience, Tanya, she says. What is wrong, I wonder? Poor duckling. Poor me. Many weeks go by. It is the end of autumn. Miss Foley starts the music one class. Violins play. Then she begins. The leaves are turning yellow and falling. Crows are crying, caw, caw, caw. The ugly duckling sees beautiful white birds flying away to the warm countries, but she is left behind in the middle of the pond. The other dancers are dancing better and better. The corps de ballet of birds flitters and flies away. Saison, saison, saison. And I know all my steps, but I am still Tanya. I have 2 left feet and no wings at all. After class, I stay alone and practice. Someone whispers, Poor Tanya, she really is an ugly duckling. There are only 2 weeks left before the spring recital. Miss Foley sits alone with me on stage next time we meet. Tanya, she says, snow is falling. Can you see the snow? All the birds have left. See the empty sky? You are alone. I am alone. But wait, the water is freezing. The ice is closing around you. Turn, little duckling, turn. I begin to turn. Fouettez, fouettez. Faster, faster, the ice will catch you. I am suddenly cold. I turn and turn, but the ice is freezing around me until a farmer comes and saves me. But Miss Foley cannot be on stage with me at the recital, and I am still Tanya until 3 days before the performance. It is a dress rehearsal. We have on our costumes. I love my costume. And have danced through nearly the whole ballet. It is time for the last scene. The music plays. We can't even see Miss Foley, but then we hear her and dance out. The farmer's children tease and tease the ugly duckling. But one day the duckling hears a lark. Spring has come, and out of the thicket floats a beautiful swan. The duckling knows that the swan may nip her or peck her. Afraid, she bows her head and floats toward the magnificent bird anyway, when she hears a voice say, "Look into the pond." I look into the pond. "Look," the voice whispers again. There is no duckling there. There is no Tanya there. There is only a beautiful young swan. It is me. I look around. All the trees are in bloom, the lilac and the apple, their branches touching the water. The wise old swan swims all around me. At first, I only swim, stretching my wings. Everyone watches, the hunter and the cat, the children and the farmer. Then other swans stroke me with their beaks, and a child says, "Oh, look, a new swan, the most beautiful of all." And I spread my wings and rise into the air, circling the pond and circling it. And now the pond is dark. The curtain comes down. I blink. Miss Foley comes over to me and the other dancers and puts her arms around our shoulders. "Yes," she whispers, "we are ready for our performance now." And I nod yes. I am ready too. The end.